In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create filters in Gmail. If your inbox feels crowded, filters can automatically sort, label, or manage new messages the moment they arrive. Here's how to set one up clearly and confidently. Start by opening your Gmail inbox in a web browser. Look to the top right corner and click the gear icon, which opens your quick settings. From there, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the row of tabs, find and click Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where all your existing filters live and where we'll create a new one. Click Create a filter. A small window appears where you define what messages you want the filter to catch. You can target emails by the From field, the To field, or the subject line. You can also use Has the words to look for specific phrases and doesn't have to exclude certain terms. If you want to narrow it further, you can set a size limit or check the box to include only messages with attachments. Keep your criteria specific enough to match what you want and avoid capturing unrelated emails. For example, using a unique phrase in Has the words is often more reliable than a single common word. Once you've filled in the details that describe the messages you want to manage, click Create Filter at the bottom of that window. Gmail now shows you what actions it can take when a message exactly matches your criteria. Here's where the filter does the work for you. You can choose to skip the inbox and archive those emails, mark as read to keep things tidy, star it for quick visibility, or apply a label so everything is neatly grouped. You can also choose to forward it to another address you've set up, or delete it if you know you don't need those messages. If important messages sometimes end up in spam, you can check Never Send It to Spam. There's also an option to categorize messages, like setting them to updates or promotions. If you want the same rules to apply to messages already in your inbox that match your criteria, check the box to apply the filter to matching conversations. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Create Filter to finalize it. That's it. Your new filter is active. From now on, any incoming email that matches your criteria will be handled exactly the way you specified. If you ever need to tweak or remove it, return to Settings, open Filters and Blocked Addresses, and edit or delete it from the list. With a few thoughtful filters, your inbox will feel cleaner, more organized, and much easier to manage.